Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my new Rogue Fitness SML-2 with a full setup and review. Alright guys, well if you don't know me, I'm Nick and I'm back reviewing some of the best athleisure and athletic wear brands on the market, as well as some fitness brands and products along the way. As always, please like and subscribe to our videos. It really helps the channel grow. And also you'll be entered in all of our giveaways coming in the future. Our next giveaway is a hoodie giveaway when we reach 100 subscribers. None of these reviews are sponsored in any way, so you'll be getting my honest and complete thoughts. There are a few specific reasons why I went with this setup right here, and I'm going to show you why today. If you are looking for yourself or for somebody else as a gift, you are going to love this squat stand. Okay, so building home gyms has become a lot more popular ever since COVID and all the gym shutdowns. For me personally, I love a home gym because you never have to worry about if somebody's using a machine or a squat rack's taken or anything like that. I decided to go with the Rogue Fitness SML-2 Monster Lite squat rack for a few reasons. Number one, I wanted to get a product that would hold up over time. Rogue Fitness makes some of the best fitness products in the whole entire world, and also you'll be guaranteed for life with their warranty. I thought about getting one off of Facebook Marketplace or something like that, but you run the risk of it breaking, and you don't get a warranty on your rack when you purchase it on Facebook or Craigslist. I really wanted something that was super sturdy and would not move at all when you use it, especially the pull-up bar. That was an absolute must for me. I've had some extremely bad experiences with the pull-up bars that go under the doors, and I just don't want to revisit that again, but also I don't want to talk about that today. I'm also kind of skeptical about a wall mount one. I feel like the freestanding one is a little bit safer and easier to set up. I was also looking at some racks from a company called Rogue Fitness, but I saw some reviews saying that it was like smaller than expected, and the pull-up bar wasn't as sturdy, and the materials just weren't as durable. The Rogue Fitness racks are much lower than the Rogue Fitness. The pull-up bar on the Rogue SML-2 is around 90 inches. This is a perfect height for me because I plan on doing weighted chin-ups and pull-ups, and I don't want to be too close to the ground. I like doing my pull-ups a little bit higher up. I love how solid the rack is, and you don't ever have to worry about feeling safe or wobbling around. It's pretty wide at 49 inches wide and 92 inches tall. The total weight of the stand is 157 pounds, but can hold 1,000 plus pounds. The J-cups are made super well and you don't have to worry about them at all. They have protective rubber on the sides too, so it won't damage your bar or anything you're using. The reviews on this site for the SML-2 squat stand are incredible as well. I also like the Rogue branding on the side, and it really looks good in my home gym. The shipping was about $80 to North Carolina, and I paid total around $600 with tax and shipping included. Another great thing about this stand is you can add onto it after the fact. Right now, I don't want to add anything else onto it, but when I am, I can buy conversion kits from Rogue, and I'll be able to convert it to a half rack as well. This will be nice when I purchase a lot more plates and other accessories for my gym. They also have a ton of attachments, so you can get a pulley attachment or a dip attachment. I can 100% guarantee that you will not be disappointed in the squat rack. This thing is absolutely rock solid, and you cannot beat that at this price. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the unboxing and the setup for the Rogue SML-2 squat stand. So it comes with a total of 5 boxes. Be aware that all these boxes will come in the mail at separate times, and this is completely normal. For me, the pull-up bar came the first day, and then the rest of the packages showed up the day after. I ordered, and these packages showed up in about 3 days, which is pretty unreal. If you're looking for the nuts, bolts, and instructions, they will be in the square box, or at least they were for me. What's really nice about this setup is that all the nuts and bolts are the same for every place, and you don't have to connect different bolts and different pieces. You also don't have to worry about if you're using the right nuts or bolts. You will need your own wrenches for setup, but it went by pretty quick for me and maybe took about 30 to 45 minutes. It didn't require 2 people to set up, but you could probably go even faster if you had an extra hand. The first step is to connect the feet to the base of the squat stand. This setup does come with lock washers, so when you go to set it up, put the flat washer on the bolt, then stick it through the hole. Next, you want to put the lock washer on the other side and screw in the bolt. I would recommend putting up your pull-up bar last, just so you know the correct height you want it at. Like I said before, I like mine a little higher up than most, and I'm glad this stand has an option to have it all the way up to 90 inches. Make sure you have all the nuts and bolts screwed together tightly and you'll be good to go. Pull-ups, squats, dips, attachment, whatever you want, you'll be able to do it in no time. Like I said, this stand is absolutely rock solid and you won't have to worry about it at all. You can do so many exercises with this stand and you'll be very happy when you purchase it. I'm planning on getting the safety spotter arms as well, but I don't have them right now. If you're on the fence about buying a squat stand from Rogue, just bite the bullet and buy it right now. Don't waste your money on something cheap that you'll have to upgrade in a few years that has a low pull-up bar. Think of this as an investment in yourself. Alright guys, well, that sums up this review and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have ever tried this squat rack from Rogue, please leave me a comment below and please subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more videos and reviews like this coming soon. And again, subscribe to stay updated with everything high level. We're slowly starting to produce better videos and I thank all of you for the support and watching along. Thanks guys and see you next time.